Hi guys, how is everyone doing today? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have an unboxing video for you, and if you like this kind of video, please keep watching, okay? So guys, the bag I'm going to be unboxing today, like you already see, is Michael Kors, and this bag is a leather satchel bag, and the name of the bag is Haley, and the color is fawn. How they spell this fawn is Fawn. So I hope I pronounce it right. Fawn of, yeah, this fawn. So Fawn, okay? So this bag retails for $368. And of course, I always get my handbag on the bargain, so I got this one on the bargain, okay? So this color is like a blush pink. I don't know how it's coming up on the camera, so it's a blush pink color, okay? But from the tag, they call the color fawn, okay? So I'm gonna be doing a quick review of this bag. The leather looks so sturdy and so beautiful, okay? Starting from the front, it has a zipper pocket over here, which will fit your phone. If you have a big phone, it will fit it. Even if you have a full-size wallet, it's going to fit in here. But I will not put my wallet here. I will put maybe like a phone and maybe a little pen or notepad or something like that. I will fit it here, okay? So let's go inside the bag. Oh, over here it has a little pocket here, which is also deep, okay? The bottom has feet, and it has this two top handle over here, and also it have a snap closure, okay? So with that snap closure, you can still open it up. It opens wide. You can open it as wide as you can, and it has a long strap here, which you can use to carry as crossbody, okay? So inside the bag has two wide openings and has this middle zipper compartment, which I really like. So in this middle zipper compartment, you can put in your wallet or your valuables, and you zip it up, which gives you additional security for the bag, okay? So over here it has two pockets in there, and on the other side also. Let me take out the stuffings so we can be able to dig into this bag, okay? Over here it has the tag up here which says Michael Kors, okay? This bag is so lovely, so beautiful. I really like it, guys. See, it has that how will I call this, like the cinch here in, so you can have that beautiful fold over here, so same with the other side too, okay? I see this bag as a really good bag. It will fit in your laptop. It will fit in a folder or a notebook, if you're going to be using this for work. So you can use this as an occasion bag, and also for everyday life, okay? So this is a pretty one. This is in the blush pink. I really like this feature they have here. In case you don't always want to dig into your bag, you can put some of your things here, and you can, for easy access and easy reach of your things. So let me put the strap on, and I'll do a model shot of it. So the mod shot of it, carrying it at the crook of your hand. carry it like this. Also, you can wear it like this. As a crossbody. I think I'll have to adjust this so it can sit right on my hips. Okay. So guys, I adjusted the strap of the bag, and I am 5'6" tall, so I use the last one of the holes for the strap. Okay, I use the last one, and this is how it sits on my body. Okay, so this is it, guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing video, and I hope you like my video. Please give my video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, and also share my videos with your friends. Okay, so I will see you in my next one, guys. So take care now. Bye.